Hey guys, so let's get started with today's video. And first I'm taking my Saundarya Patanjali moisturizing cream, and this is basically the coconut variant, and I'll moisturize my face with this moisturizing cream. This is quite good moisturizer, quite hydrating, quite moisturizing, and it doesn't feels greasy on the skin, so I quite love this moisturizer nowadays. And then I'll take my FC primer and I'll prime my face. Basically I'm priming those areas, like my problematic areas where I need to prime my face, and this will ensure a smooth base for my makeup. Then I'll take my Lakme 925 weightless mousse foundation, and I'll apply it all over my face in the dotting motion, and then I'll blend the foundation with the help of a toothbrush makeup brush. Like guys, give some time in blending your foundation. This will ensure you the most flawless base. Just blend your foundation really well. Next, to set my foundation, I'm taking my Olivia compact powder and I'll powder my face just to set my face. Then I'll take my ADS blush in the shade coral and I'll apply it on the apples of my cheeks and also on my T-zone to get a flush of color. Then I'll moisturize my lips with my Organic Harvest lip balm. Then I'm taking the same ADS blush and applying it all over my eyelids, because like the eyes are gonna be subtle for this look, and the game changer will be the lips. So I'm just applying the blush all over my eyelids. Then I'm taking my kajal pencil, and this one is from the ADS, and I'll apply eyeliner very close to my eyelashes. Then I'll blend it and kind of create a smoked out liner look, because this looks really pretty for a day-to-day makeup and gives a definition to my eyes. Next I'm like lining my eyes with my Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal, and then it's time for mascara, and I'm applying it all over my lashes including the bottom lashes. And next I'm filling up my brows, and for that I'm using my pomade crayon from Maybelline. This one is my absolute favorite brow product. For my lips I am mixing two lip colors to get the perfect bold lips, and both the lipsticks are from the ADS. One is the wine lipstick I guess, and second one is the matte lip gloss. So I'm mixing both the colors and creating the perfect lip shade. And the last step is to highlight my face, and for that I'm using my Kiss Beauty highlighter. And can you see that highlighter on my face? I just love this highlighter. This is one of my favorite highlighters, quite pigmented, and I'm also highlighting my inner corners. So yeah, this completes the makeup tutorial.